Washer dryer hookups there, hot water heater. This is sort of a mudroom off of the backyard slash utility kind of closet, which connects to the kitchen, which has been fully updated. Quartz countertops, brand new cabinets, brand new floors, can lighting, stainless steel appliances. That looks like the original wood burning stove. New floors throughout. Fresh paint almost everywhere. Hot tub, Trex deck. Not sure the age of the roof, but it looks okay. Downstairs we have, I guess this might be, you might consider this a den or a dining area. And over here, a living room with another fireplace, which is a gas fireplace insert. Both bathrooms have been completely updated as well. Have a custom tile shower. New quartz on top of the vanity, new sink. Bathrooms and the kitchen are pretty much completely brand new. The store looks new as well. This would be considered the primary bedroom. We have new floors. It is ground floor and the larger of the bedrooms. No ensuite bathroom. This closet is a storage area underneath the stairs going upstairs. No garage, but you do have a covered carport. Three bedrooms, two baths. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom upstairs. This was built in 1959. So it kind of has a sort of a choppy feel to the floor plan. I feel like some of the stuff has been added on. But they updated it nicely. This is a nice touch. It's custom cabinetry for towels or what have you that leads into the bathroom upstairs. You have a full-size tub, shower over tub, vanity, all new. That cabinet over there looks like brand new custom cabinetry as well. Yeah. This is bathroom number 2. You have more storage over here. I can't find the light switch, but there's a light there. Plenty of storage back there. More closets in the hallway. And then bedroom number 3, right here. This room has say this is the smallest room. It has the least closet space. Nothing back there. Well, you could get a queen size bed in here. There's another look at the backyard. So the lot size is just under 5,000 square feet. The vacant lot next door is on the market as well. So this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is built in 1959. Approximate square footage is 1641. It gives us a $390 price per square foot. This is the 2nd bedroom upstairs. I have an air conditioning unit here to kind of help keep things cool up here. And a look at the neighborhood. Oh, I think that's Sawmill recreation area. That peak is. this room is larger, has more closet space and some built-in storage over here. It's built-in storage. And these closets are a fair amount of storage space in these closets. And that is about it. 1131 Dedi Avenue in South Lake Tahoe. Asking price is $640 in the Y area. And that is about it. This kitchen came out really nice. I do like the under cabinet lighting. It's a nice touch. If you have any further questions, give me a call. They do have some disclosures available. There's a pest report and I believe a home inspection on file I can send you. Thanks so much. Talk soon. Bye-bye.